This week, we finished the rust repairs and continue work on our vintage kitchen. We finished painting the walls and prepped the ceiling for paint. We also got our new tires for the bus, a huge step to finally being on the road. We're working on getting the bus ready for COF, the Certificate of Fitness. So we finally finished all the rust repairs needed and give the rubbers a bit of love too. How's it going under there?
Noisy.
Yeah.
But rust protection and then
little rust patch here and there. Not the most comfortable of working angles.
my favourite. 3-month bus build.
3-month bus build. Well, you know, it's doable. Conditioning the rubbers a little bit.
Yep.
Coming up like new.
Future proofing.
That's what we like to do. We also finished a pantry unit for our vintage Remu kitchen. It's a bit too long, so we're gonna hack it down or cut it down so it can fit in the space we intended, and yeah, that's what he's working out in the back here. We're also gonna cut out some other damage made by previous owners.
This is the main bit.
Yeah.
I can just chop and hack this bit.
Yeah.
Because that didn't like that.
No.
I don't think it's worth it.
Yeah, the front face wouldn't come off, so we had to chop it, unfortunately, but
It's pretty good, eh?
that's pretty good. So I've given this thing a thorough sanding, and now I'm just gonna give it a go with some linseed oil to protect it and bring out the wood at its best. So. Awesome free Remu countertop done.
It's cool though.
Yeah. Should I go get the drawers and we see what it looks like?
Yes.
Okay. What do we think of our new kitchen?
Fantastic.
Yeah. Nice.
Another day on the bus.
Another day on the bus, another job done.
The walls get a second coat of colour, and we prep the ceiling for paint as well.
Ceiling prepped and ready for paint.
The most exciting event of the week is definitely the new tyres. all 6 needed to go. But most likely this is the last set of tyres we'll ever have to get for the bus, so it is well worth the investment.
Check out new tyres.
Yeah, I saw the new tires. They look great.
Good seeing the bus out and about. It makes it look different, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, big day. 6 new tires. She's blown a bit of smoke.
It was because I was driving down the road in the wrong gear.
Oh, okay.
I skipped a gear.
Oh.
Like I just did then. What are we doing? Going home or where are we going?
Let's go for an adventure. There she is.
Okay, I'd like to kick over.
We got new tires. Brand new tires. Look at that. Spare tire. We didn't have one when we got the bus, so.
It is really nice to tick a few big projects off the list, and the bus is looking great.
If you like this video, push the like button and please subscribe to our channels and also turn on the little notification bell so you won't miss anything that we put out.
Yeah, and feel free to share this video with your friends. Also, come along over to our Facebook page, Reboot Life. We've also got a website, rebootlife.me, and of course there's Instagram and other social media networks that you can follow us on.
Yeah, we're going to link to all of that in the description for this video, so come and join us there.
Better yet, come part of our Patreon crew.
Yes.
And this is where we get real support that can help towards us making better content and more of it for you. Thank you to all our supporters.
Yeah.
You know, you guys are loyal and you rock.
Yeah, thanks guys.